They have their fried chicken.
Sikat nga po ko.
We have rice, steak, we have sinigang, we have chicken, sisig. Grace is eating now. Eating chicken. Si Mariano. We're done eating with the buko pandan. Ito ang buko pandan sa Maxi.
Buko pandan.
Ni Grace. We are in a Christmas holiday rush. Lots of traffic. There's Grace. Mariano right there. Christmas, Grace car, new car. RAV4. Have all na, anong tawag dyan? Ba't kikimegayaan?
Which one?
Ito, anong tawag dito?
Apple CarPlay?
No, yung map.
Oh yeah.
May sariling map, bago talaga. Look at that. Look at that people. Cars right there. Look at that. Holiday rush. You.
Sorry.
Going to the freeway. Very good weather. Very good. It's so cold. We are on the 40s. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's Saturday, December 20, 2025. My goodness. That's why it's so heavy. Traffic, it's so heavy because of the Christmas rush. Like us, we're doing, like me. I'm doing my Christmas last minute Christmas gift shopping. Di ko ba? Yeah. Yes. Very, very gloomy. The day is very gloomy. Almost winter. Kaya ba winter? This December.
Oh, isn't it soon?
Yeah, this week or next week. Maybe next week. There's more traffic here. We are in the different place now. Where by the Boeing. Coming out to the front.
Yeah.
Where by the Boeing, where they build airplane. There you go. Boeing. There you
Look,
go.
that's a RAV4.
Where you buy the Boeing. We go to another place where we buy everything. Swedish Hospital Clinic. There you go. Kasama naman ng Christmas dito. Ulanan eh. It means people are crossing. That's why it's blinking like that. Uy! We're in Chowking. I ordered canton. We have siopaw. They're here soup, wonton, beef wonton.
Hello, this regular area.
Jasmine has wonton and Grace has everything.
This is so big.
We're in a Thai restaurant with Grace and Jasmine. I have a new haircut. At first, we have this, ano ba yan?
Crab angle.
Ragoon? Crab? Oh, okay.
He said it's not that spicy.
Kind of soup. Ito. Ano ito?
That's you. Oh, it smells. Is this cilantro?
Ayan.
Green curry.
And iced tea. Iced tea. Yeah, their food is spicy.
Ate, picturing. Kailangan yung handa.
Hi. Si Ray. Hello, Ray. Surprise! We're in the airport. We're going to the Philippines. Ito kami sa airport, SeaTac. 9:30 ang aming flight. Ang gulo pagdating ng Pilipinas. Mario.